Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. So my friends, I want to give you an update on Novavax, ticker NVAX, trading here on the Nasdaq. Yeah, guys, we have here some very interesting price action here for this ticker. I want to show you why this is very predictable, what Novavax is doing right now, and of course what could happen next. So I give you all the price levels here. If we can see here, still a continuation of the short squeeze. Don't forget, we had here a massive price run up from $3.90 here in the $3.90 range back to $23. So massive squeeze, and you can see that we are still far away here back over the previous price level. So that means it looks very good that we could continue to squeeze, but of course the bearish market makers try to bring the price down, and therefore I show you here the price levels in the chart. As you know, this is not financial advice. My main purpose is to educate you in trading. That's why I started this channel here, guys, and that's why I show you here several chart techniques for Novavax and for a lot of other short squeeze stocks as well. Yeah, guys, what you need to know. So I mean, first, if you didn't see my previous videos, I predicted this short squeeze here. I made many videos here during that time for Novavax. I said, guys, there is a very huge short squeeze potential. I expect the breakout to happen. We had this very bullish price level here between $5.50 and $3.90, guys, and that was very predictable. And it's of course very predictable what will happen next, because we had here a very strong resistance. Novavax already tried to squeeze here back in 2023, but this price level here, the blue line which you see in the chart, guys, is the resistance and has been the resistance. And of course, when we can come over this price level here, when the price is trading above $10.34, or sorry, $9.62, sorry, this is the price level here, $9.62. so it's very simple that when we trade above this is bullish. When we're trading below that, this is bearish, guys. So this is everything what we need to know here. Basically for the price right now, $8.10 is the last point of support. The market makers always try to create some shakeouts, and they always create drama, guys. My credo is no drama, no squeeze, and you have to understand the market makers always get the lowest possible price before they force squeezes like that or make this happen, guys. So what we see here right now is that we have just two significant price levels. One, as I mentioned, is $9.62, the blue line here, and the next one is $16.85. So we bouncing here between those levels. That means every time when Novavax try to break out $16.85, we see a very strong rejection, or at least the market makers try to bring the price below that level. Yes, of course, we can squeeze over this level, but you can see this is just here 1 day, maybe 2 days, and then boom, we have this massive sell-off reaction here. And for now, because that has been our resistance here, $9.62, that means that should act as a support. And if this is really true, guys, we can just simulate here the chart with TradingView. You can also see that yesterday the market was very bearish. So we want to see right now what the price is doing, and if these price levels are still respected by the algos. I press play now here in TradingView, and we see what happened, guys. Boom, rejection, boom, support. So now we have this bearish liquidity zone here in between. It's not a strong resistance, but the algos are still here. And there you go, guys. There you go. So even if you see this huge gap ups here in the chart, still, guys, we have the support here at $9.62. That's why I say you can rely on chart techniques. I have no idea if there are some news. I think the Novavax released an SEC filing, but it was nothing special in my opinion. Please make your own due diligence here. I could be totally wrong, but as I said, I just focus here on the chart. And as long as we don't trade below $8.10, there is no panic mode, nothing to worry about, guys. This is here something like a retest, and the algos, of course, try to find out if the bulls are still here to pump the price. The problem is, when you have some chart setups like that, I will draw that here very quick for you. We can just draw here some descending line, something like this. And this is the problem, guys. When we retest here the bottom 1, 2, 3, 4 times and cannot break out, that means, guys, the bears are too strong and the price may come down. I don't want to scare you. I just give you here my prediction based on the chart, but this is what it is, guys. I mean, we have some reactions here, but you can see the total squeeze range here. When we see the lowest point and the highest point, it was just 72%. I mean, this is very good for swing traders. Yeah, 72% profit is a lot, but this is not for me an interesting squeeze setup, to be very honest with you. If you don't know the other stocks which I release here, guys, I have my so-called hot stocks. So if you really want to see some short squeeze stocks, I have always, every Sunday, I release here my so-called hot stocks, and these tickers here and these videos have very high squeeze potential. There is no guarantee, guys. I cannot see the future, but I predicted here already many squeezes. And while I'm recording this video here, one of my hot stocks from this week is squeezing already 380%. I made the screenshot yesterday here in the aftermarket, and we had a 358% pump, and this ticker is still squeezing. You can see here Sunday was the day when I released my video, and then just here this is a 4 hours chart, so 1, 2, 3 trading days later here on Thursday the squeeze started, guys, and yeah, 358% after my prediction. The week before I also had 2 short squeezes here from my hot stocks, and one of them was also 270% after my video prediction, guys. Yeah, you can of course check out these videos. You can join in here our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership on Patreon. Here every day new members joining in, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for your support, and feel free, guys, to join in. We are a very fast growing community here. When you click here the info button, then you will see the links, guys, and can just join in, and you get of course here on Patreon access to all my member videos, to the hot stock videos, and to my swing trade alerts, guys, which are screenshots from also squeeze tickers or tickers with high squeeze potential. And this is everything what you can get here on TradingView, guys. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or advanced trader, everybody is welcome. You can also join the community, ask a lot of questions there. And as I said, just click the button here in the right corner to access the link here below the video, guys. So let's now go back to Novavax. So as we know, we have still support. But we have to break this kind of bearish descending triangle pattern here. So the problem is that even now we didn't close the open gap. We have an open gap at $15.89. I said in my previous videos that I expect the price to come back up to $15.89 and $16.85, and everything, guys, over this red line here, everything over $16.85 can finally lead here into a bigger squeeze for Novavax. And guys, there is only one big resistance in the chart before we really can talk here about party, guys. Party hard is over $24.81. $24.81, guys. Then the yacht is out. Then it's just going crazy. Then this stock will start to squeeze. We need, of course, volume to break this price level, but you can see what happened already here back in 2020. We also squeezed here from the $3.90 range, guys, to $333 or $31. This is absolute crazy. I don't want to hype you up, guys. Yeah, we need to break the price levels first, and of course Novavax should not dilute their stock. When they start to dilute, the squeeze chance get lower and lower, but you can see we have this gap up here, an accumulation. Maybe we see something here like a final shakeout before we can continue to rip. That's why I say I'm still bullish here. Otherwise I would clearly mention that here in my videos. I'm still bullish, but no drama, no squeeze. We need to see a shakeout. And what do I mean by that, guys? Exactly this. This is what we want to see. We need here an oversold RSI. You can see every time when the RSI was oversold, at least we had some small spikes to the upside here, and this is what we want to see. But we need to see a price also over, I would say, $13 and $14, guys. A price over $14. We cannot continue to build lower highs here. This is not bullish, guys. Yeah, when we just close, for example, this gap here at $12.40 and then get rejected, this would be not bullish, guys. Yeah, this is what I can tell you here. This is not a financial advice. So everything here, in my opinion, between $9.62 and $8.10 is still bullish. Don't forget, yeah, there are always two sides, the bull and the bear case. And the bear case is, guys, that we drop below $8.10. Maybe the market makers use here the pre and aftermarket to drop the price down. And then, guys, yeah, $4.50 and lower is possible. Yeah, for now I'm still bullish as long as we hold these price levels, but that's why I always recommend my members to work with a stop loss, because it can of course get ugly if the market starts to turn bearish. We are super bullish right now. Then you have to also see the flip coin here, and that means here $4 and lower is possible for Novavax, guys. Yeah, that was my update, guys. If you want to copy the price levels here from my chart, also you can try to recreate this trend line here. Everything what you see here is based on TradingView. So if you also want to use that chart program, guys, or if you want to learn trading, of course, you can watch all my videos, but if you can try to recreate what I'm doing here, that would be even better. And I use here always TradingView. This chart program here is called TradingView, guys, and I can offer you a discount link here if you want to get that program. I'm not sponsored by TradingView, but if you use this link, you save $15, and I always recommend the premium subscription. This is good for beginners and advanced traders. By clicking the info button here, guys, you also get access to the link below the video. Guys, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching my Novavax video. I hope that was helpful for you. If you like this content, if you don't want to miss any updates on Novavax or my other short squeeze plays, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I thank you for your support, wish you great success, and see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute, viel Erfolg mit Novavax und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care, bye bye guys.